Hey guys, welcome back to Prepping in Progress. We missed you last week. I'm sorry, we were sick. I was more sick. Miss K is now the extremely sick one, and I am not. So, between that and some technical issues with the internet not working right at the bug out location, we didn't have a video for you. This week, we'll just give you some updates and show you something we showed you a while back. So stay with us. So, yeah. Last week we kind of dropped the ball. I took an allergy pill trying to clear all this up, and I fell asleep for 12 hours. So, while the body needed it, I did not have the editing done on the video reviewing Southern Rose Homestead's candles that they gave us, which may have been a good thing because some of it needs to be reshot. The audio wasn't good, and I'm still learning how to focus the cameras on flame. So there's that. I apologize to Southern Rose Homestead. And this week has just been incredibly work related. But managed to get out here today. Can't wait to have this uploaded. And I've been playing with the timers on releasing these things over the weekend. It's kind of working. But why are we out here in the woods in the middle of nowhere? Right here, backlit by my hand, we did an elderberry plant burying, planting, whatever you want to call it, episode a little bit ago. And if you look behind my hand, all this is green. It is still alive. It is living. Now up here, it's I may have to clip it. It is brown, but that's to be expected as it was transplanted. But the elderberry is alive and well, and one of the sets of seeds that Miss K and the grandbaby planted last 2 weeks ago, last week, whenever, or was it the week before? That may not, Miss K may not have planted that with the grandkid. But one of them is sprouting. I mean, two itty bitty cute little green buds just poking out of the dirt. I told you, we're not completely well yet. So, food production, well on its way. So happy for this. This is so cool. I'm excited. I'm really excited, especially for elderberries. I'm picturing a year or two from now, elderberry jam, elderberry pie, elderberry soup, and we're probably going to do some more. Now, I'm having a little bit of a problem, and maybe the happy gardener can chime in. We have blackberries on the property of the homestead, and they are always green. They never turn black. I'm thinking that blackberries have both male and female plants, and they have to cross-pollinate in order to produce fruit. And I'm thinking we may only have one gender of plant. And I'm looking into, hopefully that's the reason that everything is going on, and we might just have to get multiple blackberry bushes and add to the blackberry patch. But happy gardener, tell me if I'm on the right track. Throw something in. I always look forward to your comments. So we're going to move a little bit. So stay with us. And through the magic of editing and one quick, two quick, pausing, now we are up at the house. Yeah, welcome to the bug out location. So, Miss Kay and I went and got some of the hanging cabinets from storage. Now I'm still figuring out her grand plan because she is awesome. My understanding is right here, this edge of this piece, you can't really tell, but it's from here all the way over here. This wing section here, if you were to be able to see from the back, it's a straight edge right here. This just is pretty much ornamental. It's coming off. Hello, Ruckus. How you doing? I thought of you this week. This is coming off. It's going to end up going here, and then a hole will be cut for the power socket. And then my L-shaped desk will go over here. And this will end up being the communications corner with the ham radio and everything run through the wall. It's coming along. You can see here, kitchen cabinets that will go on the other side behind you. Hi. I missed you too. But we're slowly making progress. And this little girl is enjoying it. What? Come here, parrot. I can hear you purring. I hear you purring. You know, guys, I love my cat. I would never want to lose her. And I saw a comic this week that made me think of her. Family takes cat to the shelter, surrenders it for being too vocal. That's its behavioral issue. It's too vocal. And the cat is thinking, I just want to tell you I love you. I'm a good cat. But they leave it and walk away. Too many times, this is the fate of animals, especially when they're not kittens anymore, they're not cute, they're a little older. And they're some of our best friends. Throughout the winter months, we had field mice trying to come into the house. And this little girl took good care of that problem. Animals are a essential prep. Now, a lot of people are going to say, yeah, but if you have to bug out, what are you going to do for food? Do you just turn them loose? Blah, blah, blah. And it is a legitimate concern. I mean, you look at the animals that were left during Hurricane Katrina and Hurricane Harvey. And Ms. Kay would have a lot to say about that. For me, and I'm trying not to go religious with you, but from my perspective, the Bible is true. God gave man dominion over the animals. God gave man dominion over the creatures. God intended for us to be, you know, you're gonna do something, aren't you? You know, God intended for us to be shepherds of our flock, whether it is husband to wife, and children, or to our animals. We take on a responsibility to our animals, and we don't abandon them, period. We make arrangements, whether it's the dogs having their own backpacks to carry a little bit of the food weight, whether it's the cat having a leash or some kind of tie out if we have to bug out, because she is mostly an indoor cat. She has had extended adventures, haven't you? I ought to write a book about some of the stuff you've done. She found a cricket and now she's hunting. See? She helps keep the pest population down. We are responsible for those animals. They are as part of our team as our human compadres. So to me, there is no leaving anyone behind. There is no allowing someone just to flip the door open and let them go. My greatest regret is that when Miss Kim and I split up, she agreed to keep the bug until I was settled and had a place for the bug. And now I can't reach Miss Kim. And we're building a house. We have a place for the bug. And no bug. And I will always regret that. So don't be like me. Find a way. I thought I had found a way. I didn't. Find a way to keep your animals close. Find a way to keep your team together. Human and animal. So, yeah, that's the update on the house. And you can't see it, but she has sprawled herself out at my knee. Just a happy little camper. I love you too. I love you too. You chirping at me? Daddy loves you. You're a good kitty. What? What? So, those are some thoughts for the day for animals, and I'll break out the dogs' backpacks at some point and show you how we have their food in Ziploc baggies in case we ever had to leave, and how we change those out about every 2 months. But this is going to be a short weekend video, sorry. And thanks for watching. Stay with us. And the little one, the little brat, the little parrot cat apparently wants some loving. So, I'll talk to you soon. What, Munchkin? You know, I've got to go up to the homestead, don't you? Do you want to ride in the car? Oh, hi.